Do. Simple tenses. Useful English sentences.
I do my homework every evening. I did my homework after dinner yesterday. I will do my homework after work tomorrow. You do a great job every day. You did a great job yesterday. You will do a great job tomorrow. He does the dishes every night after dinner. He did the dishes after everyone finished eating. He will do the dishes after dinner tonight. She does her best in every class. She did her best during the exam. She will do her best to help you. It does exactly what it is supposed to do. It did everything perfectly. It will do the job without any problems. We do our best to stay healthy. We did our best to finish on time. We will do our best to help everyone. You do a wonderful job as a team. You did an excellent job last week. You will do even better next time. They do their homework together every afternoon. They did their homework before dinner. They will do their homework after school tomorrow.